Here we have Southern Tractors, new Landini. It's a dual power 7.175. It's the new demonstrator. If anyone would like a demonstration, just contact Dick at Southern Tractors and he will only be too happy to help, I'm sure. It's a lovely colour of blue. I would say it's sort of like a McCormick in some ways, but I had hoped the car beside me would have switched off, but never, so I just had to go ahead before it gets too dark. So don't know how many horsepower it is, but contact Dick and he will keep you right. So it looks like 1884 to 2014, 130 years of Landini Tractors, or the actual name.